Can you believe that it has already been a year since I put on all these Maxton pieces? You know, I was thinking about that the other day, driving around, and it's like, you know, I need to post something about this, and just so that everybody can see what's going on with it. I know I haven't posted in a while, so I'm sorry about that, but life gets busy, kind of get pulled into other things, but I have a second, so let's go over it. So about a year ago, I did put on the full Maxton body kit. So we got the front splitter, and we have the side skirts. Then we have the rear extensions for the side skirts. And then we have the rear diffuser. And let me tell you, this kit has held up extremely well after I've put it on. It's been no cracks, no wanting to come off, no anything. You know, I was very skeptical of the way that this part right here would be, the front side skirt. Now, it's still a little wobbly, yes. Never really did anything additional with that, but you know what? I haven't had to. It's been really, really nice, and it's really held on there. And then the front splitter, you know, here's my only thing, and this isn't with Maxton, this is with me. When I put it on, I should have done a little bit better job. That being said, to me, it's angled up too far. It needs to come down. It kind of looks like it has an underbite right now. So at some point this winter, I'll probably go through and kind of pull it down and level it out. That way it'll look a little bit more level with the side skirts and everything as well. I think that will kind of set it off just a little bit more like it probably should be. Other than that, everything else is fantastic. Side skirt over here looks great. And this rear piece over here looks awesome also. So, almost forgot. Rear spoiler. I mean, I always never wanted to put this on. I'm so glad I did. It looks great. It finishes it off just right. And, you know, I couldn't be happier with this thing. There was a talk I saw on a Facebook group where someone was talking about getting Maxton to design something that goes right here, just kind of a little lower lip. And I'm sorry, I've forgotten who it was, but I don't know if Maxton ever got back to you, but Maxton, if you happen to watch this video and you know you would like to get somebody to test that piece out for you, give me a shout. I'll be more than happy to throw it on here, give a review, put it on, show everybody how it works, how easy it is, and I think that will be great. But, you know, I'd like to thank everybody for all the subscriptions. You know, I've come a long way. I never thought that anybody would be that interested in seeing this kind of content for this car, but it turns out there's quite a few people. Met a lot of really cool people by doing this, so thank you so much. If you like the content, please subscribe to it. You know, like it if you feel like you like it. No pressure here, doesn't matter to me, just giving you the info that you might want. So I've got a few other videos. I'm trying to decide on what I need to do or what I want to do when I have a little bit extra time, thinking about, you know, 5 likes, 5 dislikes kind of thing or something like that. If you got any ideas, just drop them in the comments below. But other than that, and until the next video, later.